with a huge kid. He's not doing good with this kid. Come on, Bailey. Come on, Bay.
Come on, Bailey.
Doesn't he get us two? Did he get us two? Cement mixer. Cement mixer. Cement mixer.
That's it, Bailey. Driving. There you go, Bailey. There you go, Bailey. Write him down. Oh, he was good. He was good. Only two.
Attention for
He was thin.
Only two real fall.
when they get to awards,
Dude, he was thin.
it will be done up in the upper concourse under the American flag area. That's all the awards will be. Just
Up
let
and
the
out,
parents
Bailey.
know
Up
when
and
that
out.
time arrives. They'll be upstairs.
Driving, Bailey. Get the head out. There you go, Bailey.
What was it?
I stuck with you.
What was it?
I don't know.
Did he tap?
I have no idea why he stopped it. Waiting, Bailey.
He's winning, so
Roger.
this ref is been gay.
I'm just waiting. There you go, Bailey. Drag him back. That's it. Don't make a mistake.
Spencer Bowman of Cedar City, please come to the